In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight on this BMW 535i xDrive. This is going to be located on the back of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take this panel off. There's some push pins. Take this one off. Just use a trim tool. Pop that out. This one right here. Pop those out. And the carpet right here, just pull this up a little. We can grab the panel. Just pull the panel out. It comes right out. On the back side, we're going to twist this wing nut. Twist that to the left. And this whole board slides right out. Set that to the side. And using a 8mm socket, we're going to take the nuts off. There's another one right there. Take that out. Grab the light assembly, and it slides right out. Now take the light assembly, line it up, push it in place, get the nuts started. Now we'll tighten these down. Those are tight. Take the board, get this lined up, and twist it, lock it in place. Now take the cover, slide this in place, just pull the carpet back, and take the push pins, get those lined up, re-secure those. That was a quick and easy job. Now you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.